Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Cox Home Security Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to monitor your home anytime from almost anywhere, then you can easily log into your Cox Home Security account. To do that, open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.cox.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Cox, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the human icon, and doing so will take you to the login area. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Sign Up Today link and follow the instructions in order to register yourself. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box and make sure to type in your information correct. Once you are done typing in user ID, go to the password field and type in your password. You can double check the password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, make sure this box is checked right beneath, but leave it unchecked before signing in if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID or the password link and follow the instructions in order to look for your credentials. After typing in your information correct, click Sign In and you'll be able to log into your Cox Home Security account quick and easy. Now you can easily control all of your home life security devices and services whether you are home or anywhere else. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.